Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. Right now, we just left Walmart. Me I prepare the website for the headphones them for Uno. And I'm mad thing. So right now as we speak, one of my dog them I do the coding and all of that. I go do some photo shoot for the earpods, Chambers collection. And the website going to be out for Uno soon. I do over my side of town. So I just go run look at errands. Ooh, accident just happened. I go run a look at errand. And then we're back again. Back at house to take some picture for them. Alright, so reach our crib. I just don't wake from a nap. I never not gonna lie. When I come back at 5 when I go sleep, I'm tired. But right now I do some little picture. Make sure I cap the fire tunes. And this is the black one, you see me? I see the white one here right there. So that one here when I use pan regular, you see me? As you can tell. If I open it, it got on right now. See there? Well, it charge. I know it charge. See there? It charge. So this is white one, that is black one. I just open that one here to do the picture and the labeling. So make sure you cap them, you know. Fire tunes, perfect sound and all of that. I'm going to make some little promo video. I showcase them more. But I just do the behind the scenes of the work of the website and all of that. So make sure you copy it. Waterproof. Charge your phone. Good sound quality. Touch resistant. And the sound quality is amazing. So make sure you copy it. Fire tunes, you know. Mad thing. Run come over, Medzu, quick come look for Junior. Junior, come here. You must say me not to change your wrap on my car. Why am I not supposed to change your wrap on my car? Because you like it?
Yeah.
You like that color?
Yeah.
Come on, open the car and get the controller. You see it? You see it?
No, the black one.
So, right now I'm come give me the real link. Huh? You don't want to know, Juna?
They're hot chips?
Yeah.
I like them.
No, you can't eat it. You're going to go to the doctor.
Oh.
You ain't going to poo for a week.
How about you eat it?
I eat it already. You didn't see the video on YouTube?
No.
I got to show you. I did it already. No, don't open it. Don't open it. I'm trying to make one of my friends eat it, but everybody's scared.
Oh. I'll watch it on YouTube.
Okay. Come on. So, vlog world, we're here outside. Jacob there, Meds there, Marvin there, you know. I gotta come see these niggas, you know. It's been a minute since I've been here, you know. So I'm come link up with my brother them and chill. Kids are inside. You see? And I'm thinking, Jacob!
Outside.
What you doing that? How that? What you call that now for your head?
This one?
Yeah. What you call that?
Rasta cap.
That's not the Rasta cap. Don't lie for Rasta. Lie. Lie. I'm one thing. We're there with the one and only. Juice.
You know, look, my hair got longer, I guess.
Yeah, man. When I YouTube legend, them already know.
You know?
Juice World.
You know it.
You see it?
You
We're
see
in the
it?
studio with it.
The studio.
You already know?
I'm out there.
You already know?
Customized.
You already know? Make them know we're
I
rich.
priceless this.
We're rich.
I priceless this. What I'm saying, I priceless this.
Rich. So no don't know. We they are all of vibes and
No.
someone don't know this, but me I make you know. Juice are really Jamaican, you see me? So when you see my guy Jamaican and I say if Jamaican slang them, him a real Jamaican. Him no fake, you see me? If they at the studio, just record boy. How much song you just record since?
Like two.
2 songs, I'm forward late. Them shits
The
fire.
first one, what was the vibes on the
Them
first
shits
one?
fire.
Yeah, that shit was a club banger.
Yeah, them shits fire.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
G.
Every time Trabass come, I want Trabass give me some reggaetons and some reggae,
Them
some
shit.
dogs, some like.
We have some shits in a vault soon drop phone.
Oh no, we actually do, bro.
Yeah. We have
No, we
songs
got like
already where we
5
record.
songs already that we did already.
Shit, for real.
Yeah,
Don't
I ain't gonna
forget
lie,
about
we
them
got like a
shits.
couple records already, bro.
Yeah, forget about them shit that
I ain't
thing.
gonna lie, bro. It's time for that, bro. Time for that, bro. And me, I think we
Wanna
need to
drop
go ahead
some
and
love
drop
song for your girl them.
That's what I said we need to do, bro.
Afrobeat vibe.
That, yo, can we do that
Girl
tonight?
them.
Let's do that tonight, bro. That's what I need, bro. You gotta understand this one. You know what this is, though? He act like he know who he is. Like, yo, stop it, bro. Stop it, bro.
Alright, find a beat. Let me see what can go
Yeah,
on.
alright, can you
Find a beat.
Yeah, find a beat, bro. Please, find a beat so we can just
Afro type and
Afro type
like,
beat. Yo,
Yeah,
that's
see
what I'm
what can
talking
go on.
about. When the cameras come on, niggas working. Niggas is different. White
time cut. We're gonna get the beat and we're gonna record my verse and hook on the track.
Tell him why, Trabass.
Huh?
Tell him why. Tell him why.
Half guard shit him the pan. I wasn't prepared to record. I'm not even gonna lie. This nigga said pull up to his studio for catch a vibe. I said, alright, fuck it.
Yeah.
Niggas in town.
Yeah.
Pull up. Then nigga want me record. I'm like, fuck.
Yeah.
Yo, a long time I no record. You don't know me no drop a song in like what? 6 months? Yeah.
I'm trying to get you out of retirement, you hear me? I'm getting it.
But yeah.
Yeah, look, so I told Trabass, I said, Brody,
Yeah.
you can go home, get everything right, then when we get back in the laboratory, we're gonna go back to work.
Yeah, so we're gonna vibe the beat on next time. We're both for cut from the studio. What time now, bro? 3 in the morning. 4?
3.
Yeah, 3 in the
Want to play one more time? Play that beat one more time.
3 in the morning.
You want to see what we gonna say?
That probably copyrighted. Me nah do that. Nah, fuck up my YouTube money, remember? Good night, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm out on a date and it's loud tonight. I'm out on a date right now. Real life. And she carried me out to get ice cream. I'm there at the beach right now. She done wave over this with the beach right now, all a vibe. And the vlog continue. Pistachio? Yeah, Jamaican flavor. Pistachio? Oh. What you get? A cone?
I'm getting a cone.
A cone? A cone. Let me get. They don't got no grape nut?
You guys don't have that grape nuts. That's a Jamaican thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get cookies and cream.
Get a waffle muffins.
So, Black World, I'm on a date. That's my date. We're out to get ice cream right now. You know someone not gonna whine if you eat ice cream right now. I don't care. Why fear one bigger than mine? What do you want to do?
Me?
Where you want to go? You want to go for a walk and talk?
Yeah, let's walk on the beach.
Okay, so we're going to go on the beach right now.
Oh, that's the other ice cream place I was telling you?
I think I went there. Alright.
This one's better though. Still wins are better.
Hey, you know, like, with you there for. Everybody out there, I make love. Next time you're not good one here. Stop laughing.
I knew you were going to say something.
But not like me, I tell look over there. So. Everybody are up. Everybody have a partner or somebody. At night, you know, out there pitch black, you know, but the camera show out there clean. Yeah, look right.
This is the cheapest thing that you're gonna pay around here, so.
For real?
Yeah, you're good.
This is a fun date. Let's go. You guys be fishing here?
Yep.
Oh.
You're so full of shit. I don't like crab.
So Vlog World, out here windy bad. But not like. Out here is very windy. We pay $2 for come on board. This feel like me will drop through it, you know. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this thing I not here. This thing I not see up.
I should have threw that away.
What? The food?
Yeah, in the box.
You had fun?
Yeah.
So me like your little black dress on.
Thank you.
So sexy. Air. Yo, we gonna chill on next park.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. I never carry the back away. So Vlog World, I finally reach home and thing. And before the vlog is done, me have a whole heap of update more give you know. The site officially done for the headphones them. Chambers collection. When you see another vlog, I do look up and down and work on the side feed. The site officially done. The site in the description, but as we go along the site, I go improve. You see me? For now, we just have the headphone them on it, Chambers collection. Go get one. Them affordable, reasonable, and share it. You see me? Tell a friend for tell a friend. The quality, crazy. Make sure somebody just text me. The girl let me a date. Did you come inside? But back to the vlog. Make sure you grab a Chambers collection, you see me? You know support my name, you know support my brand, and I support me back, you see me? Chambers collection. Remember my last name this Pantapite Chambers, yeah, my last name, my real name. So I'm gonna go support me headphone. I'm gonna make some promotional video. We're gonna go see a couple people with them and thing. Remember, it charge your phone, waterproof, best quality. I don't want this headphone out right now. So make sure you go cap one. Link in the description. And I'm thing back again with the vlogs. You see? Alright.
Feel like a Superman, me feel like a Superman, me feel like a Superman. Superman no need tonic. Hard cocky me give off a wine pan it. Drop bomb inna your belly, fuck out of this world. Me come from a different planet. Make me give you some Superman stabbing.